Hello friends, a very good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a simple condiment. We are going to make Sirke wala Pyaz or pickled onions just like they make in restaurants and dhabas. We'll color it naturally with beetroot, and this accompaniment with meals is really very delicious, especially with non-veg kababs and chicken tikka and thali meals. No thali meal is complete without such condiments like pickle or pickled onion. So let's proceed to make pickled onion.
To make Sirke wala Pyaz, I'm using shallots or baby onions, small onions. In India they are also known as sambar onions. Then we have some green chilies, small piece of ginger and a small piece of beetroot. Peel the shallots, they are about 1 cup. Salt as needed. Beetroot I have peeled and cut into small pieces. And ginger, make thin slices this way so that you can easily bite it when it is pickled. Here I have taken apple cider vinegar. You can also use white vinegar instead, and some filtered water. Transfer all these ingredients into the clean dry jar. We are adding beetroot for natural color. Add salt, about say half a teaspoon, 2 tiny spoons. Quarter cup of vinegar. And now we are going to top it up with filtered water. Add about 1 cup or until all the ingredients are immersed up to the level of the ingredients. Give it a nice shake. Close the lid and then you can place it in the refrigerator until it matures. Small onions don't take long time. They get pickled in a couple of days. You may even leave the jar outside if the weather is quite good, but I like to refrigerate it. Either way, after 2 days, you can see that it is ready. Lovely color. The onions have got a natural color from the beetroot. Just like the restaurant style or dhabas, they serve this with the meals on the side. Such small accompaniments make the thali complete. These onions taste so good with the non-veg snacks also, like tandoori chicken, chicken tikka, kababs. They are so nice, tangy, crunchy, and for those who love spices, you can have a bite of the green chilies. I like to make them in small quantities and enjoy them fresh. Awesome. So friends, do give it a try. It's such an easy accompaniment to make at home to serve with your thali meals. And a small request, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, to see such delicious recipes that I keep sharing. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then.